Is it exciting? Hey, Michael.
I don't have.
Michael,
Yeah.
you excited about this blizzard?
Yeah.
Look at me.
What?
Hi.
Hi.
Deanna,
Hi, Daddy.
look at me. Hi, baby.
Hi. Whoa.
This is the blizzard of 2003.
Whoa.
Whoa. Are you stuck in the snow?
Daddy, watch it. Hey, Daddy, look at that mustache. Man, I'm eating it.
Hey, cutie. You guys having fun?
No, not really.
Not really. The snow's a little too high for you, huh? Well, right now, here in 2003, we got 18 inches of snow so far.
Yeah, and that's bad.
Well, it depends on how you look at it. All right. Hey, Michael.
I
What
saw something, I think.
is Michael stuck in a hole? Hey, Michael, you stuck in a hole?
Yep, he's stuck.
Michael, look over here. Can you look over here?
Don't worry about me, Michael.
Deanna, look at you. You look like Sid with icicles hanging from his nose. No. Michael boy. Hey, Deanna, where'd you go?
I'm over here.
Michael. Hi.
Hi.
You having fun? Where's Deanna?
Over here.
Oh, I see you. Oh, man, look at your hair.
I can see you from over here. Yeah, my hands is warm.
Good. I can see you. Deanna, don't eat too much. It's cold. You might get a... I don't want you to get a stomach ache. I know. And make sure you only eat the white snow. Nothing dirty. Michael, not too much.